Hello everyone, this is a Disney milk chocolate Easter egg. Just shut the hell up, man. Yeah, this one also melted. I don't know if it's the same. It's supposed to look like this. I don't think it does anymore. It's pretty cool, huh? It's cute. Very cute egg, man. Come on, man. See? It's supposed to look like that, man, you know? A Disney milk chocolate egg. It's cute. Would you shut it, please? Oh my god. Oh, it's Frankfurt. They don't make that kind of chocolate, man. Pretty cool. Let me open it now. Carefully. I mean it. Oh my goodness, man. God damn it. Oh my god, it's stuck. I don't think I could get it out. Oh, look at that, it ruined it, man. Guess I'll get it next year, dude. Look at it, man. It's melted off. Watch, I can't get it out of this stupid bullshit foil, man. Carefully, I guess. Come on, please, man. Stop moving around. Oh, it would have been nice, but it's gone. The detail's gone. It got ruined. See that? Oh, man. Oh, my God. It got ruined, man. It's supposed to look like this. Oh, well. Okay. Melted details. Oh, my goodness. Just look like that. That it doesn't.